Hi guys, so today's video I will be making and I tried following Denitslava Makeup. So the makeup that I'm going to try to do is the Glam Gold Smoky Eye Makeup tutorial. And I do hope that I could make it because this eye makeup is very fabulous and I've been wanting to try it out too. So let's get started. Okay, so I don't have the Morphe palette, so I'm just gonna use what I have, which are the Makeup Revolution iconic elements. And I also have here the Maybelline 24 karat nudes. I'm not sure if I have a red brick eyeshadow, so I'm using this caring eyeshadow. I forgot, and I obviously used this for a long time already, so I'm just gonna search the name and put it on the description box. I'm trying to use this too, the Metal Shock eyeshadow from Essence. It's brand new and I haven't used it, so maybe this will be a good idea for the gold eyeshadow. But yeah, if it doesn't work, then I'm just gonna use the one from the Maybelline palette. So let's start.
Move on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm starting off by priming my eyes, and I'm gonna use this eye base here by Motives Cosmetics. I'm applying it on my eyelid and all the way up to the brow bone using the Zuiva 142 brush. And then I'm setting it with some face powder.
Okay, wait. It with a powder.
This is the Rimmel Stay Matte in Transparent.
I'll just use the Wardah.
It's very important to have a very nice smooth base for the eyeshadows, because that way the colors will come out more vibrant, everything will look so much better. So don't skip that step. Make sure that you prime your eyes before you start working with eyes. So I'm gonna start off with this brick color right here. I'm taking it on the Makeup Addiction Duo Fiber Blender brush. Honestly, this brush is amazing, and I'm gonna place that eyeshadow in my crease.
Okay, I think this is going to be a little bit too
That
chocolate.
eyeshadow is really pigmented, you guys.
Okay, but let's just try. I don't have anything else. So she's putting it here on the crease.
Alright, so I also want to try out the black eyeshadow from the palette. You don't want to load your brush with ton of product and then just place it on your eyelids. No, you don't want to do that. Everything will look very messy. You want to take a very small amount of product, apply it in your crease, blend it a little bit, and then if you feel like you need some more, take some more product, blend it out again, and repeat this as many times as you want, but just don't use like lots of black eyeshadow at once. And I'm gonna start diffusing the edges of that black shade into my crease. And because I have that brown eyeshadow in my brush, the blending will be a lot easier. And I'm also bringing it in the outer corner of my eye, right here. Going back to that brown eyeshadow, and again I'm using it to blend out the black one. Going back to that Makeup Addiction Duo Fiber Blender brush, I'm gonna take the lightest matte shade from the palette and I'm running it through my upper crease area right here to further blend out the eyeshadows. Okay, so now it's time to add some shimmer, and that's I love this part. So I'm taking the Catrice HD liquid coverage concealer. I already have that all over my face, and with a flat brush, this is from the ColourPop.
I don't have that, so I'll just use this Clinique airbrush concealer.
I want to do something like a half cut crease, so I'm cutting my crease but just in the inner half of my eyes. and then kind of diffuse that foundation into the black eyeshadow here. On top of that foundation, I'm gonna also add some glitter glue. Now guys, if you wanna level up your eye looks, use glitter glue. It's working great with shimmery eyeshadows, metallic eyeshadows, pigments, glitters, everything shiny. This it's making it look like 100 times better. So
Okay, I don't think I need a glitter glue for this metal shell. I mean, it's already like in a bottle anyway. Whoa! It's so pigmented.
I'm gonna diffuse the line between the black eyeshadow and the gold shimmery one here on my eyelids so that, you know, they look more faded into each other.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other side and finish the whole face of my makeup, and I'll be right back. I'm back. I've put on some eyeliner and eyelashes. And
Alright, now I'm smudging some of the brown eyeshadow along my lower lashes, and the brush is the Sigma E20. Into the tiniest amount possible of the black eyeshadow, but I'll keep it in the outer corner of my lower lash line.
And we're done, I guess.
A little bit more intense lower lash line. The entire look is getting so much bolder, so much more dramatic, but I was going for something dramatic today, so
Yep, it's dramatic.
that's eyeliner. Better. I'm using again that
What do you guys think?
highlighter to highlight the inner corners of
Highlighter. Let me use a lip brush. Did you even see it? I mean, it's like a nude highlighter. I don't think it really pops. Let me try another one.
eyes and my brow bone. Alright, and on my lips, I'll go with the lipstick by Nabla Cosmetics. It's called Bye Bye Birdie. I love this color so much. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Now, I want to talk a little bit about the Morphe palette in case someone...
Wait. Okay. I don't have that, but I'll use this lip potion from Estee Lauder. And it's really nice. And I guess we're done. Tell me if you liked the video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video if you like it to your friends, and see you in my next video.